Mom made 73 tamales. She gave some to her sister. Mom has 27 tamales left. How many tamales did Mom give to her sister? This is what I know. Mom made 73 tamales. I know that she gave some to her sister. I don't know how many, but I know that she did give some to her sister. After she gave them to her sister, Mom had 27 left over. Now I have to figure out how many tamales Mom gave to her sister. So it's 73, take away the amount that she gave, and then we end up with 27 left over. That's our number sentence, but I need to rewrite it so that I can solve it. And this is how I would rewrite it. I would just use 73. If I get rid of the 27, then I'm going to figure out how many tamales right there were given to her sister. So that's my problem. 73 minus 27. So let's go. Let's get started on it. I will go ahead and I'm going to use an open number line, and I'm going to go for the jumping up strategy that we learned yesterday, or I think it was on Monday. So I'll start at the number 27. The next friendly 10 is 30. And so that was 3 jumps, right? I'm trying to get to 73. Remember that. So now I'm at 30. I want to get to 73. So I could do this. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Those are all 10s. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 10s. So that's 40 right there. I'm not where I need to be yet. I need to get to 73. So if I just go like this and say that's 3, I'm where I need to be. The next step is for me to add the 3, the 40, and the 3. So 40 and 3 and 3, okay, that's 46. So the final answer is 46. She gave her, so the question is, how many tamales did she give? She gave 46. I would write it out. And I know my printing is not good on this, but sorry, she gave 46 tamales. On your paper, you can do a better job. To her sister. Oh my goodness, this is very messy, but you guys are getting the idea, because remember, we need to have the number sentence, we need to have the strategy, and we need to have the answer with the unit. Oh my goodness, that's super messy. Don't do it that way, okay? There are 93 avocados on Lupe's tree. Her daughter picked 65 of them. How many avocados are left on Lupe's tree? Okay, so I know that Lupe has 93 avocados on her tree. And I know that her daughter comes over and she picks 65 avocados off of that tree. I need to figure out how many avocados are left on Lupe's tree. So that is our problem, 93 minus 65. I'm going to go ahead. For this one, I am going to use the base 10 models, okay? So I'm going to draw out 93. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 1, 2, 3. That's step 1, 93. Now what I need to do is I need to cross out 65. So I'll start at the ones. I'll look at the 3 and I'll say to myself, oh, no, stop. There's not 5 here. I cannot do it. There's only 3 there. I will grab this 10, I will push it over here, and I will break it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I will cross it out over here since I moved it over. Now I can cross out 5. 3, 4, 5. This is what's left on the one side, 8. 8's right there. Okay. Now I have to go over and cross out 6 of the 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 of the 10s. And I still have 20 over here. So my final answer is 28. 28. And then I have to do the answer with the unit. How many avocados are left on Lupa's tree? 28 avocados are left on the tree. And I did a fantastic job. I have a number sentence. I have a strategy showing you how I got my work done. And then I have the answer with the unit. Okay, let's do one more problem. Chris has 21 fewer markers than Joe. Joe has 47 markers. How many markers does Chris have? This type of problem is always challenging for kids. Even me, I stop and have to think, okay, what are we trying to figure out here? Well, it says that Chris has 21 fewer markers than Joe. So Chris's number is smaller than Joe's number because of the word fewer. Joe has 47 markers. So we know, I'm going to put a J for Joe, he has 47. Chris's markers will be 21 fewer, I don't know, less, but you can do whatever symbol you want, than Joe's. So basically all you're doing is you're taking Joe's 47, you're subtracting 21, and that's how you'll find out how many markers Chris actually has, okay? So on this one, I'm going to go ahead and use expanded form. So I'll go ahead and I'll make my T-chart, and it's 10s and 1s. It's 40 and 7. It's 20 and 1. Okay, and it's subtraction. So 7 minus 1 is 6. 40 minus 20 is 20. So the answer is 26. So how many markers does Chris have? Chris has 26 markers. That's the final answer. So I have a number sentence, a strategy, and an answer with the unit. That one's a little bit tricky, but that's okay. So those are the 3 problems you're working on today. Just remember the 3-point system, okay?